am doing makeup for one of the most iconic Christmas characters, not Santa. It is going to be the Grinch. FX Faces sent me this amazing prosthetic and I'm so excited to apply this today. They also sent me a zombie Grinch and I'm going to be doing a back-to-back video of both of them interacting. Thank you so much, FX Faces. These are literally so high quality and I'm extremely excited to apply them today. Wig cap is on. I'm going to be using Prozade to apply the Grinch mask today. I love using Prozade. I'm especially going to be wearing this for a really long time today too, so I'm kind of predicting about a 12-hour wear once I put the product on, because I'm thinking about wearing this tonight for my Christmas party. Instead of dressing up all nice, I'm going to show up as the Grinch. Yeah, my coworkers probably won't be that surprised by it, so it's going to be so much fun. The Grinch is established. This took about an hour to apply, and then I put Prozade all over it to lock the foam in, and I am ready. I think the only area, of discrepancy was kind of like right here. I didn't do a great job of laying it down. I actually pulled it up about 4 times because I was trying to get the brows to look right, and this eye looked like a little larger than this eye, so I kind of fixed it a couple times. But yeah, overall, I'm really happy with how I applied it. This is like the second time I've ever done a full foam prosthetic piece, so I'm pretty happy with the way that it laid down. It does look a little interesting right here. I think there might be just like some creasing from like the glue and stuff, but once I put on the paint, I think it'll be okay. Give this a really nice, generous powder all over with Mayron's Color Set powder. Our beautiful Grinch, I'll be using these Mayron cream paint sticks today. I don't know why he needs to have an accent, but I'm doing my best to have an impersonation over here. Mayron cream paint sticks to fill her in. Adding some yellow highlights with some powder, and that'll help to just set the cream paint too. So the hair that I got is like this fur fabric piece, and it is neon green. Last night I tried to dye it and it came out kind of patchy because some areas didn't take. So I'm just grabbing some of this yellow to bring it forward to give it a little bit of that neon. So hopefully it looks a little more cohesive when I go to add it on. Alright, so it doesn't match at all. But I'm just going to glue it on and then I think I'm just going to color it. I tried my best and you know what? Yeah, so this is like how it came out, literally so patchy, but I was like, well, I can work with that because it's like a low light situation, you know? I'm just going to chop little bits off. We're gonna make the brows, we're gonna make the hair. I'm planning on going to my work Christmas party tonight like this. I'm not sure if I'm going to do like a beard situation or if I'm just gonna do like the brows, the sides. I'll glue this on just for like the video, but then when I go to the party, I may put on like a green wig or something, because I'm like, I kind of want to like slay too. I want to like Grinch slay. Things are going. The hair is making its way slowly but surely, and we are almost freaking done. I think like in 30 minutes I'm gonna be done and start recording. Yay! Ho ho ho! Ha! I am the Grinch who's coming to steal your Christmas. Oh my gosh, I love turning myself into the Grinch. Such an iconic character. Honestly, I'm like, he could even be as iconic, if not more, than Santa. So that's where we're at. I think I did a really good job applying this prosthetic. There's a couple areas where I've noticed where I'm like, okay, next time I can do a little bit extra better. I would definitely give myself like a B+ on the application process of it. I have like so much fluff in here because I just decided to cut a sheet and I just put it right there. So it does look a little funny and I look a little frumpy, but I mean, the Grinch is frumpy, right? He's a little frumpy. Hope you guys have a very, very Merry Christmas and make sure to check out my scary Grinch coming next. Bye! Somebody's